Have you lost an item in Dubai Taxi and need help finding it? There are two simple ways to report your lost item in Dubai Taxi. Let's get started with Mahboob Chat first. You can access Mahboob Chat via RTA Dubai app, Sahel app, or WhatsApp. To start your report, simply open Mahboob Chat bot through any of the applications mentioned. Next, type your inquiry. For example, you can say that you have lost an item in a taxi and you need help retrieving it. Then, provide your contact details, your name, mobile number, and email address. If you have a taxi booking reference number of the taxi trip, please select yes and enter the number. No booking reference? No problem. Simply select no. Then provide the trip details, including the date and time of your pickup and drop-off, the location, and the fare amount. Also, make sure to select the taxi type or roof color. Now, describe the item you've lost. For example, specify if you've left a laptop bag in the taxi. Mention its color, any distinctive brand or logo, and the contents of the bag. This will help speed up the process. Finally, click Submit, and you'll receive a case reference number. This will be sent to you via SMS, which will include a link to track your case. You can also use Sahel app. This is the second option for reporting lost items in Dubai Taxi. Start by logging into Sahel app. If you're not already registered, you'll need to sign up. Next, add your account information. Ensure your details are correctly filled out. You can log in using your local or international mobile number, or sign in with your UAE pass. Navigate the app, then click on More at the bottom right corner. Then, choose Feedback and select the Taxi Lost and Found category. Now, provide the details of your lost item. Make sure to include taxi details, the date and the time of the trip, the pickup and drop-off locations, and the fare amount. Be sure to describe your lost item in as much detail as possible. Once you've provided all the details, you'll then receive a success confirmation. Once you've submitted all the required information, you'll receive a confirmation via SMS. This message will include your case details and a link to track the progress of your case. No matter which option you choose, our team is dedicated to handling your case efficiently. We'll keep you updated every step of the way. You can check the status of your case anytime using the link we provide. RTA is your partner on every journey. For lost items, we're always here to assist. Travel safe and easy.